Alright guys, so today I'm going to be doing a tutorial walkthrough for how to use the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi functions on your iZEEKER Dual-Lens camera. Okay guys, so let's go ahead, and the first thing you're going to do is download the Game Camera Pro 2 app from the Play Store. I'll throw a picture up there to show you what it looks like. It's got a little Bambi deer on it. Go to the Play Store or the Apple iStore, App Store, and download that. Okay, so once you've got that program installed, I'm going to throw a screen record up here so it'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is just open the app. Okay, so the Game Camera Pro app comes up, and it comes up to the Bluetooth screen. Now, the reason the Bluetooth is here, the Bluetooth serves one function, and that is to turn on the Wi-Fi. You cannot use Bluetooth to look at images and pictures. Its only function is to turn on the Wi-Fi, and then you will use the Wi-Fi to see your pictures and images. So if you didn't understand that, that's just a little help. Some people are confused by the Bluetooth Wi-Fi function. So basically what we're going to do is hit the turn on Bluetooth button down there, and we'll wait for about 9 seconds, and then we'll go to the screen, and the Bluetooth camera will show up. Just click on that, and now we're connecting to the Bluetooth camera, which takes about 15 to 20 seconds. Okay, so once you've connected to your Bluetooth to the Bluetooth on the camera, okay, then you're going to go down to, it says turn on Wi-Fi. Okay, so now we're using the Bluetooth to turn the Wi-Fi antenna on, and if you look at the camera, when it starts turning on, you'll see a red light start blinking. That means it's turning on the Wi-Fi. It takes a little bit for the Wi-Fi to turn on. Okay, about maybe 20 seconds. Okay, so this isn't something that happens real fast. You got to connect to the Bluetooth, then turn the Wi-Fi on. On your phone, go down and hit the Wi-Fi settings, and then you got to wait for the iZEEKER network to show up. Sometimes it'll automatically choose it, but the other times you have to click on it. So you click on the iZEEKER and just hit the back button. You'll see a little green check mark, and then the camera will be there, and there I am filming this recording. Okay, so there you can see me, the camera. You can use the live view function, and you can also turn it like this. Okay, and then you get the wide view function like there. Okay, now if you want to review your pictures, just hit the little deer down in the bottom left hand corner. All right, and there's the images and pictures the camera has been capturing. You can look at the images there, got a bunch, and if you want to look at an image, you just click on it and it will load that image up. Okay, all right, and again, you can turn your phone sideways to see the full wide screen there. All right, okay, now if you want to do videos, down here you'll see the little toggle. Just toggle it over to videos, and there you go. There's your videos right there. You can scroll down through your videos and look at those. Okay, so that's how you get to your images and your videos on your camera. All right, I got a deer here. If you want to watch it, just let it load up. Okay, and there, let's flip it over here. Okay, and there's a deer right there. Okay, all right, now if you want to download stuff, just long press on it like that, and then up here at the top you'll see a download, and then you can see the download progression right there. It downloads pretty fast over Wi-Fi. There you go, one video. Now that's downloaded to your phone. If you want to see what's on your phone, you just hit local, and then it will show you what's on your phone. Okay, there's what you've already downloaded, so you can see what's on the phone or what's on the camera. All right guys, also all the settings on the camera can be set right here. All right, and you can change all the settings. You don't have to open the camera, and that's one of the great features of the smartphone and the app, is that you can change all the settings on your phone. It's a lot easier than using the buttons on the camera. All right guys, well, that is how you use the smartphone app to access your iZEEKER camera, review your pictures and your videos, and download them to your phone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.
Hey
Hey, the Gadget Man here, and I want to talk to you a little bit about the new feature that YouTube has announced called Super Thanks. And this is the viewer ability to basically give the creators a tip. You know, we don't make a whole lot of money from our videos, especially me. I do a lot of work on my videos to try to make them good for you. And, you know, I do them because I want to help people out. But, you know, it's good to be appreciated. So if you've got a couple extra bucks, I'd appreciate if you throw them my way. If you don't, please enjoy the video. They're out there. I put them out there for free so that you can. But, you know, I would appreciate it if you could. Thanks a whole lot, and have a great day.